Hello everyone, this is Kankana and very warm welcome to my channel. I'm creator of Style Travel and More.com, which is my website, and you are watching me in my YouTube channel Style Travel and More. With this note, I'll start off with today's video, and today I'll review the Face Shop Real Nature Face Mask. So as I do, I'll start off with a close view of the product, and then I'll tell you how I use it, and then I'll give you my insight about this product. So these are all the flavors or variety which I have with me currently. And before I show you what I have, I just wanted to tell you that each pack has one sheet mask and they are soaked in essence or liquid. And on each pack, they have mentioned the core benefit of that particular sheet mask. So these are all the flavors or variety I have with me currently, and I'll show you one by one. So this one is olive, and it is for moisturizing. This one is blueberry, it is for firming. This one is avocado, it is for moisturizing again. This one is lemon, it is for brightening. This one is cucumber, it is for hydrating. This one is red ginseng, it is for firming. And this one is calendula, it is for soothing. So I'll open one pack for you. This one is cucumber. So let me just open it. So this is the sheet mask. I'm not sure if I can unfold it on camera. Let me try. So this is how it looks. So I'm keeping it here because I can't use it right now. I have makeup on. I need to use it on clean face. So there are ample amount of essence or liquid left inside the pack even after I take out the sheet mask, and I'll show you. You can see it. See, it's just coming out. So now I'll tell you how I use this sheet mask. Like other skincare product, I do not have any particular routine or schedule to use this sheet mask. I use it whenever I am feeling tired or my skin requires extra pampering. So what I do, I take it out from the packet and then I unfold it and then I secure it on my face properly. I like to keep it until the sheet mask is getting detached on its own. By that, I can make sure that the entire liquid is getting absorbed into my skin. So now it's time for some quick insight. First of all, the quality of the material of the sheet mask is very good. It is fine and very soft, and I feel the size of the sheet mask is slightly larger than the other sheet mask which I have used earlier. Also, each pack has good quantity of essence or liquid, and I always find some liquid left over on the pack even after taking out the sheet mask, and I love to massage the extra liquid on my hand, feet and neck. And these sheet masks are very hydrating and my skin feels super soft and nice to touch every time I use them. If I talk about the perceived value, every time I use this sheet mask, I feel that it's literally soaking up or absorbing my tiredness, and the nice, gentle, soothing aroma helps me to rejuvenate and relax. So yes, that was a quick review about the Face Shop Real Nature Face Mask. And you can also read about this product in my website styletravelandmore.com. I have mentioned the website link in description section. And if you find this video useful, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and you may hit the bell icon for notification.